So today we're going to talk about a tool called Popplet, which you can download to iPad. You can also access it on the internet. Here is my Popplet account, and Popplet is great for showing any kind of information in a collaborative and engaging graphic context. This is a representation of the things I'd like to do with my family this summer. And I'll just click on one of the popples here to show you what you can do with them. It's easy to create linking popples just by clicking on the circles that surround them. Going back to this one, you can see the different tools available at the bottom. You can change the color of your popple. You can make your font bigger or smaller, and you can change its alignment. There is a drawing tool, and there is a tool for embedding videos of different kinds as well as uploading photos from your desktop. You can change the size of your popple by using the arrow. You can move popples around. It's quite simple, as you can see, for students to understand. It's very intuitive. And also, when you click on a popple, there is a comment section. This is great for when people are collaborating with you on making the popple. They can add their commentary here. And you can share your Popplet to Facebook, Twitter, or you can make it public, and you can add collaborators who can add information to your Popplet, and they can also edit. Just wanted to show you some examples of how Popplet is used in libraries and classrooms. Here is an example where a librarian used Popplet to show student expectations when using iPads in the library. I think that a lot of Popplet activities fall in the augmentation section of the SAMR model. Students can use Popplets to show Bloom taxonomy skills of collecting, mapping, presenting knowledge, demonstrating knowledge, and editing knowledge. Here's some content knowledge presented quite, engagingly, using some pictures and collaboration. Here is a character analysis using Popplet. And here's a timeline using Popplet. You see these quite a bit in Popplet, with people creating timelines for both fiction books and for nonfiction events. You can also use Popplet as a pre-writing activity. Here to the right, you can see it used as a graphic organizer before writing. Now here we see Popplet going more into the modification part of the SAMR model. Here students are showing some Bloom's taxonomy skills of comparing two candidates, of ranking them and giving their opinion about the two candidates. Here are some skills in analyzation and beginning evaluation in summarizing and providing book recommendations based on whether or not you like this book, this author, or genre of novel. You see Popplet used in math as well, and you can see here you can do some embedded instruction. Students can also contribute some of their work together to sort of provide examples for the content. I think that this Popplet is a great example of how Popplet can move from the modification part of the SAMR model into the redefinition part of the SAMR model. I would argue that Popplet is too simple of a software to be truly redefining instruction or student production pieces. It's really a presentation tool, but students, if they have created Google Slides, a YouTube video, maybe they have reenacted a character from history or from a novel, because they can upload those videos and those other sorts of product pieces into Popplet, both to present and to share with other students. It's a good presentation tool for at least showcasing when students are able to hit those redefinition aspects of the SAMR model. Overall, I think Popplet is a great tool for the classroom. A free account gets you 10 free Popplets, which is a great starting point for each student in your classroom. And because it's accessible both through iTunes and the internet, all students should be able to find some sort of way to access it and to use it in their learning.